Sweet corn is cherished around the world for both its flavor and its nutritional value. Every year, over 30 million tons are grown globally. That's enough to fill more than 12,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools with golden kernels. Buckle up, because this journey is about to get just as golden and sweet as the corn itself. While sweet corn is cultivated across the globe, the United States leads the charge, producing over 2.5 million tons annually. Today, we're diving into some fascinating insights about how modern sweet corn is farmed. For example, did you know that choosing the right seed variety can boost crop yields by as much as 30%? In the U.S., more than 90% of sweet corn is grown from genetically selected seeds tailored to local growing conditions. Across the globe, sweet corn farming has evolved into a high-tech enterprise. The numbers are impressive. A single efficient farm can yield over 20 tons of corn per hectare. Multiply that across vast farmland, and you have enough sweet corn to feed entire cities. Corn plants stretch tall with lush green stalks, nurtured through carefully managed irrigation, pest control, and fertilization plans. As harvest time nears, the kernels swell with a milky sweetness, signaling they're ready to be picked. On small farms, corn is often still harvested by hand, requiring great care to avoid damaging the ears. Meanwhile, large-scale operations use powerful combine harvesters that can cover up to 100 acres a day. This dramatically reduces the need for manual labor while preserving quality. Crucial, since harvest timing directly affects flavor and texture. Once harvested, the corn's journey isn't over. It heads to processing facilities where the real magic begins. Skilled workers inspect each ear, discarding those that are underdeveloped, pest-damaged, or oddly shaped. The best ears move forward into a series of automated steps. Specialized machines remove the husks gently, ensuring the delicate kernels remain intact. But what about the husks? They're not wasted. Many facilities process over 10,000 husks per hour, converting them into organic compost or livestock feed. With husks removed, the corn is washed thoroughly to eliminate debris and prepped for the next stage, whether it's for freezing, canning, or fresh packaging. Only the best ears are chosen for whole corn packaging. After being steamed and cooled, each cob is vacuum sealed to preserve its fresh farm-picked flavor. The rest are sent through machines that carefully strip the kernels without damaging their shape, preparing them for canning. These golden kernels, like little nuggets of sweetness, then undergo a gentle cleaning, sorting, and often a quick steam or blanching. This locks in their natural flavor and helps preserve freshness. After that, they're rapidly cooled using cold air tunnels, which maintain texture and sweetness. Finally, the kernels are packed into cans using high-speed, precision equipment. Hundreds of cans sealed per minute. Each can is then sterilized using high heat and pressure, preserving flavor and ensuring food safety. Sweet corn is truly one of the world's most loved and versatile crops, enjoyed in countless ways around the globe. Thanks for joining us. We hope you discovered something new about this delicious and nutritious food.